I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Nissan Altima rotors. First, gather all your tools, including a jack stands, a lug wrench, a ratchet, and the correct size sockets. You will also need new rotors and brake cleaner. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands to support the vehicle securely. Wear appropriate safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself throughout the process. Knowing your vehicle's specific jacking points is crucial for a safe lift. Once your Altima is safely elevated and secured, begin by fully removing the lug nuts and then the wheel. Next, locate the two bolts holding the brake caliper in place, typically 13 mm or 14 mm. Remove these bolts and carefully detach the caliper, ensuring it is supported and not left hanging by the brake line. A bungee cord or wire hanger works perfectly. Finally, remove the two larger bolts securing the caliper bracket, usually 17 mm or 19 mm, and then the old rotor will slide right off. With the old rotor removed, it is critical to clean the hub surface thoroughly. Use a wire brush to remove any rust or debris, then spray it with brake cleaner for a pristine surface. This ensures the new rotor sits perfectly flat, preventing any wobbling or uneven wear. Now, carefully slide the new rotor onto the hub. Reinstall the caliper bracket, making sure to tighten its two bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque, often around 80 to 100 foot-pounds, for safety and performance. Now carefully reattach the brake caliper over the new rotor and bracket. Reinsert and tighten the two caliper bolts, typically to 25 or 30 foot-pounds. Once the caliper is secure, reinstall the wheel, tightening the lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower your Nissan Altima completely. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper pistons and ensures proper brake function. Always test your brakes at low speed first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.